Oh yeah, okay. Okay, wait, you ready? Take the chicken out.
If you're gonna do that, eat more wasabi.
Yeah, or without it.
Is this yours,
Okay.
Jonathan? I'll just
Yeah, just. Oh, damn it. Wait, hold on.
Here, I'll do it for you.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
No.
No, Lucas has to do it, else it ain't fair.
God, be fair though.
Yeah, he is.
Oh no!
No, a bit more.
No, come on.
Yeah, a bit.
Oh, that's good.
That's.
I'll do that.
Oh yeah, wait. I want to see. Show to the camera how much it actually is. That's a little mix.
Wasabi.
Dude. Okay.
You just said wow.
Come on, child. You're hot.
It smells like the dentist. I'm eating the dentist, man.
Just eat it. Fucking put it in your mouth. Okay, fine. Put it on the chicken. Okay.
That's cheating.
You know, yeah, that's cheating. One chicken only.
One chicken only.
You're just cheating right now. Yeah.
Okay,
No.
I'll eat them both at once.
No.
So
Then
what do
you
you want
get
me to do
more.
this?
Then more wasabi.
Just eat them.
More wasabi.
Okay, I'll just eat them both at once. Fine.
No, put more wasabi then. If you want to eat both of them, you have to eat more wasabi.
Okay, this good?
Yeah, that's good.
I want them all in one finger though.
Kind of disgusting, by the way.
Look how-
I wonder how much it would hurt if you put that in your nose.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Go tell them.
You're-
Yeah,
you're
I
already
was
filming.
already filming.
Oh my god.
Let's film like a minute
Your
and
memory
46 minutes.
is gonna be full on that phone, and then your parents will get mad, and then I'm just gonna.
They won't get mad. They'll laugh their ass
He deserves that extra. You deserve that extra.
You want it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hang in there, buddy. Dude, you're drinking your spit. Dude, there's more wasabi in there.